Welcome to India IDU tutorials. Today we would be discuss further in our probability series. Today we would be discussing about dependent and independent events in detail. Independent events are those whose occurrence and non-occurrence does not affect the occurrence of other event, whereas dependent events are those whose occurrence and non-occurrence affect the occurrence of other event. The formula for independent event is probability of event 1 and the probability of event 2 is equal to probability of event 1 into probability of event 2. Similarly, if there are 3 events, then the probability of their occurrence is probability of event 1 into probability of event 2 into probability of event 3. Whereas in case of dependent variables, if we need to find out the probability of event 1 and event 2, then it will be equal to probability of event 1 into probability of event 2 given that event has taken place. Similarly, if there are 3 events, then their probability is equal to probability of E1 into probability of E2 given E1 has already taken place into probability of E3 given E1 and E2 has already taken place. Let's discuss this with some examples. Let's discuss this with example. The question says if the probability that A will be alive in 20 years is 0.7 and of B is 0.5, then find the probability that they both will be alive in 20 years. We know that how many years a person will be alive is not dependent on other person. So these two events are independent events and we need to find out the probability of A and B, and using the formula which says probability of A into probability of B. Here in our question, probability of A is 0.7 and probability of B is 0.5, which gives us 0.35 as the answer. Simple. Let's have another example. This problem is two balls are drawn successively without replacement from a box which has 4 white and 3 red balls. Find the probability that first is white and second is red. In the second part, we need to find out the probability of that both the balls are red. Because the balls are drawn successively without replacement, this shows that this is a case of dependent event. So, solving our first part, which says probability of first is white and second is red. So, we need to find out probability of first is white and second is red, where our formula becomes probability of white into probability of red when white has already taken place. Probability of white will be 4 divided by total number of outcomes, which is 4 plus 3, 7, into probability of red. Probability of red there are 3 red balls divided by 6. 6 is there because one ball has already taken out, which gives us 6 divided by 3, 2, 4 divided by 2, and we get 2 by 7 as the answer. In the second case, we need to find out that both the balls are red. That is probability of red and red. Here we need to find out probability of red into probability of red when another red ball is already out. So probability of red would be 3 by 7 as total red balls are 3 and total number of balls are 7 over here, into red by red. Now we remaining red balls are 2 with us and remaining total number of balls are 6, which gives us 1 by 3. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1 by 7 as the answer. I hope you have understood this dependent and independent events. For more tricks, you can log into indiaedu.com.